Rump and Play is just one of the many doggy daycares and veterinarian hospitals in Syracuse that were fully closed down on March 20th, 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. When co-owner Cheryl Calories of R&P was notified that they would be able to open back up to business as usual, she was
thrilled, absolutely thrilled. Can't be any happier.
Many dogs will be making their way back into their normal daycare drop-off routines, but rules for parents have slightly changed.
Right now, we are not allowing any customers, only staff, which is me and my daughter, in the building. The customers stay outside. We're glad that it's nice weather right now. They are taking the leashes and the collars off and taking them with them. We then provide another collar just so they have a collar on during the day so that we don't transfer any germs. We've checked with our vet and we've checked with the sources to make sure that we're doing the right thing.
Make sure to call your doggy daycare and vet to check in on health and safety precautions you may need to make before bringing your pet in. I'm Daryl Cunningham, NCC News.